Hi, hello my people, welcome back to our another video. Guys, in this video we will learn how to activate OTP option in our WordPress. Even you have a e-commerce website, business website where login or sign up is required. So here, let me show you the example here. I'm on login page here. Here, downside you can see login with OTP. Click here and this will allow user to log in with OTP. Along with that, login with email or password. We have both options. Okay, so let's get start this video, and this is full tutorial, so please watch this complete video, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start the video. So for that, we are on our WordPress dashboard. Okay, on our dashboard, WordPress dashboard, if you have already installed your theme, e-commerce theme, any type of theme, this service will automatically added to your sign in or sign up form. So you don't need to create any form manually, or you don't need to add this functionality separately. So once you install this service, it will automatically add an OTP option on the login or sign up form. So for that, we will go to our WordPress dashboard here and we will go to plugins. So I'm on plugin pages. I will click here, add new plugin. We required one plugin which is free. So I'm here on plugin section. I have to search here OTP. Search OTP. When you search OTP here, in the search result, we have a lot of results here, but you have to scroll down to this plugin OTP login WooCommerce. Login with OTP, this plugin. Click install now, and this plugin going to install now. While you are installing your plugin, please do not refresh your page. Click activate right away. We will click on activate. After you click on activate, this plugin will be activated on our WordPress site. And when you refresh, in the left side WordPress panel, you will see one plugin here, downside OTP login. Click on that. Once you click on OTP plugin here, this is our main area. So first we have to choose SMS service operator. We have to choose here Google Firebase, which is free, and this will work more strongly, and this is very nice. So we have choose Google Firebase. Enable country code field. Yes, we will enable this. In the default country code, we will set to geolocation. What that means? Example, if someone login from USA, the USA country code will be auto selected according to geolocation of the person. Okay, so display country code field as select box. Yes, we will choose here select box. Downside on the OTP digit, we cannot add this, required digit to enter in order to verify. Recent OTP limit, you can control these limits. You can reduce this to 5, 3, you can do it. Okay. Recent OTP wait time is 30 seconds. Okay. Incorrect OTP limit, you can set to 5. Ban time will ban in 600 seconds. If OTP is incorrect, this will be banned in 600 seconds. OTP expiry will be in 120. If person did not provide OTP within 120 seconds, means 2 minutes, and the OTP will be automatic expired. OTP form type, we will select here inline verify button. That's okay. In the registered option here, we will enable phone verification. In the phone field, we will click on required. Okay, we need to click required. So here auto submit form, we will enable this. Same here on the login, we will enable in the OTP in login form. Display OTP login from list from first. Yes, we will enable this as well. And the login with OTP redirected, we will leave it blank. Okay. So downside, we have also pop-up setting. For example, if I visit my website to the my account page, the pop-up will be show to login or sign up. Okay, I will show you this later on how to make it. Okay, and now we will click save. After you save this setting, we have to go ahead for the setting uh, Firebase. After you click saving, we will scroll up and you can see in the panel we have phone services pro info. Okay, we will click services. Okay, when you scroll up you have a services option and we will scroll down to Firebase. Okay, in the Firebase setting, for the Firebase setting we will visit to this website console.firebase.google.com, or you can search Firebase, Google Firebase on in Google. If you not have any project, this will be first you have to log in with your email, and this option will be show add project. We will click add project. Okay, as we have already installed our plugin, when you open your website into new tab, you will see OTP option right away. Okay, even you install any type of thing. Example, let me open my website into new, because in same tab I'm already logged in with WordPress, so I will not see my account page because I'm already logged in with WordPress. So I need to open into private tab here. Okay, let me click here the account section, and you can see here we have login phone number section, verify OTP right away. Okay, downside we have also login with email and password. They can choose any option here. Login with OTP. Okay. Okay. Now let me open my account. Okay. I'm going to visit my account page. How to check your account page? Okay. I will also show you. Okay. As you can see, in the downside we have OTP option available in the my account page. Okay. Now how to find out our my account page, which is my account page? How to know that? We have to go to pages, click all pages. In the pages we have to pick my account page, which is my account page. You have to know from the pages, and then you have to copy your my account page link. Okay, so you will able to open into private tab. Let me open. Okay, we are on pages section. I will scroll down and I will see this option here, my account page. Okay, I will click on right click with the mouse on the view, and I will select copy link address. Okay, right click on view, copy link. I will open into new tab private. Here I will paste that link. Okay, as you can see, this is our my account page. Okay, so this service will be added automatically. Let's go to create our project in the Firebase. So our service will be activate right away. Click on add project in the Firebase. Let me name it. You can keep any name. Let me name it OTP. You can name it your website. After that, after you select project name, click continue. Okay, you can disable this Google Analytics. We don't need it. Click create project. It will take some time. It will create project for you. After this project created, then the next step is very easy to enable OTP service on Firebase. Okay, because we required, let me go to OTP login again, because we required OTP API key. Click on services, downside we need API key and config file. Okay, so our project has been created. Your Firebase project is ready. Click continue now. When you click continue, another window will be open. Okay, like so you will click this option web. Okay, get started by adding Firebase to your app. We will click web. Okay, because we need web info, because we are making web project in WordPress. Okay, click on web. When you click on web, again I will name it OTP and my website name. Okay, I will not check this option. Click register app. When you click register app, next step, this will give you API key and config key. Okay, here we go. Here we have config file. Okay, you have to copy this from concept Firebase config up to close bracket. I will copy this. I will go back to my plugin. I will paste in config. Okay, okay. Now we need API key as well. API key is here. Okay, you have to just copy within the inverted commas. Okay, inside this key. Okay, go back to API key, paste your API, click save. So we have activate our OTP service in our WordPress. Just wait for it. It will activate. Once you already provide API key in config file, you have to click first save setting. Make sure you save the setting. Then next step, go back to where we just copy our info. And downside, click continue to console. Click on. As you can see, we have successfully created our project. Next step, we will click again build option. Build and click on authentications. Okay, here we are on authentication page. So here we have to click get started. Click on it. So in when you click get started, sign in method option will be open here. In the native providers, we will click phone. We will enable this option here. Once you enable phone option here, click save. As you can see, we have successfully saved this option. Okay, next we will click on setting. Okay, after the setting, scroll down to domain section. Authorize domain. Here we have to provide our domain. Let me copy my domain name first. You have to only copy domain name after https column double slash without http. Okay, click add domain. Just only provide your domain name .com. That's all. Click. Now you will see our domain has been. That's okay. So we are going to visit my account page of my website. As you can see, I have OTP option, and you can see the country code already selected. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Let me know in comments if you are getting any error. If you want me to create another video on OTP, how to set in contact us page for OTP, and you can let me know in comments. So I appreciate for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.